Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Odoo Delivery Boy application. Now we have a quick solution to your last mile delivery issue. Using the Odoo Delivery Boy app, which is a native mobile app for both the Android and iOS platforms, the delivery boys can log in with their credentials and can manage all the assigned orders from the main page of the application itself. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the Odoo Delivery Boy workflow of the application itself. And as you can see that right now I'm using the Android device and I've downloaded the Odoo Delivery Boy application from the Google Play Store, and I have this particular shortcut on my home screen after the installation of the app itself. So I'll just be taking you through the workflow of the application today. But before proceeding further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. Apart from managing or what we say as managing all of the assigned orders from the main page of the applications, the delivery boys can easily track down the delivery address of the pending orders as well. And before I proceed further, let me tap here on this particular application here. So here's the home screen of the splash screen of the application, and here we are on the login screen for the Odoo Delivery Boy application for the Android platform based mobile devices. So as I've told you that the delivery boys can easily track down the delivery address of the pending orders. The app also supports the push notifications for the quick update on the new order assignment to the delivery boys. The delivery boys can accept or deny the assigned orders and can change the status of their profile as online or offline, which states whether they are available for the delivery or not. Apart from that, from the Odoo backend, the admin can add the image of the delivery boy, and that displays on the home page of the app itself. And the admin also has the option to set up the two-factor authentication for the order delivery. That includes the token and the password-based two-factor authentication. So now let's get ahead and let's see how this particular Odoo delivery boy application works. So for that, what the delivery boy needs to do, he needs to log into the application by entering his email address and the password and tapping on the login button thereafter. So as soon as we have logged in, you'll be able to see this particular dashboard, wherein at the bottom end you can see that right now we are offline. So you can make yourself online or offline. Online makes you available for receiving the orders there, and offline makes you offline, so that you're not being assigned any orders when you're offline there. So here on the dashboard, on the top end, you can see that we have the option to accept the orders. Then we have the pending order section. Then we have the completed orders section, and then we have a small description here about the due amount, orders delivered, total earnings. So first of all, let's make ourselves online. So I'll just tap here on the your offline button, and you can see that this turns into green. That means that right now we are online, and this would be visible to the Odoo admin as well in the backend while he's going to assign the order for the delivery there. Now after an order has been assigned, a push notification is seen by the delivery boy on the mobile app itself. So let me show you that as well in a moment from now. So what I'll be doing is I'll be selecting the delivery boy from the Odoo backend there, and I'll be assigning a particular order to this one. So here you can see that a picking has been assigned with the reference ID DBP 0017. So now if I go to the accept orders section, here I'll be able to see the particular one that has been assigned to me as a delivery boy there. Also, if I scroll down here, you can see that the picking has been assigned in the notification there from the Odoo Delivery Boy app itself. Now the delivery boy has the option to accept or deny the orders. So under the accept orders, all of the assigned orders are visible. So here if I tap on this particular order, I'll be able to see the status as assigned, and the item list having the particular product in that, the customer details along with the delivery address, and the grand total there for the $750 there. So from here you'll be able to accept this order. Once you've accepted the order, now if I go back, the order would then be visible under the pending orders. So now if I go to the pending order section, right now you can see that there's no data there. Let's go to the accept orders. Let me open the order there. And here if I go to the deny order, then the order would be set up or sent out to or would be cancelled out. So for now, let's accept the order, and this would then be sent into the other status there, that's the pending one. So if I tap here on the accept order, you can see that the status has now changed to status accept. The icon has also changed, and now we have two options here. One is show on map and set as delivered. Now, as I've already told you, the delivery agents have the option to view the delivery address on the mobile app itself. So if I tap here on the show on map, let me give it only one time. Here we can see the delivery address where exactly we need to go. I can tap here on the open map button on the bottom right hand corner, and that would ask us to open it with Google Maps. We can open it up with Google Maps, and from here what we can do is, for this particular location of the customer, we can tap on the directions, and then we can start tracking the address of the customer, and we can navigate to the location of the customer itself. Now let me go back and back, and once you have reached to the location of the customer address there at the time of providing the parcel to the customer, you can set it as delivered by tapping on the set as delivered. Now if I go back, you can see that within the accept orders there's no order because we have accepted the orders. Now if I go to the pending orders, we still have the order in the pending state here because we have not yet delivered it to the customer there. So now if I go to the set as delivered there, for this one, you'll see that the status is delivered right now on just under the amount at the top. Now if I go back, you will see that there will be no orders in the pending orders section, and this particular order would now be listed under the completed orders at the top. Here's the order DB 00017, and you can see that the status is delivered there. So these were the three sections: accept orders, pending orders, and the completed orders. And then we have this section with the due amount, orders delivered, total earnings, and the option for whether you want to set yourself as online to accept the orders or as offline there. Now also kindly note that to make a what we say as if you want to log out of your account, you'll have to make yourself offline first. And also note that there should be no orders in the pending orders section. So you need, if you have accepted any orders, then you need to complete the pending orders first, and only after that you'll be able to log yourself out of the mobile application there. Now if I slide from left to right on the screen here, here we can see the name of the delivery boy, that's John Doe, with the email address. The dashboard option is there, all orders, settings, change language, and logout option. So now if I go ahead and tap on logout and tap yes, I want to log out, you can see that please set offline before logout. So here on the side panel we have the dashboard that displays this particular section that we are already seeing. Then we have all orders. It displays all of the order statuses and the orders there. So here you can see that we have the delivered ones, cancelled ones. This one, for example, we have denied that particular order for delivery, so that's why it has an exclamation mark with a triangle there. Now if I go back, here we have this one order. The status has been cancelled by the customer himself, so it's being shown as in blue with a cancel there. And the rest ones we have already basically delivered, so they are showing the tick mark with the green icon there. So that's how you can check all of the orders by going to all orders section there. Then we have the settings section wherein you'll be able to see your username and your mobile phone number for the delivery boy, and from here as well you'll be able to make yourself online or offline. So to make yourself offline, you just need to tap on the button and you're offline. To make yourself online, just tap on the button and you'll be online to accept the orders. Now after the settings we have the change language section. So here if I tap on the change language, you can, because this application or all of the applications that we create support the LTR as well as the RTL languages. So for example, let's go back. On the side panel we have the change language option. Here we have the Arabic. Let me apply it up. Now you'll see that this thing would totally go into Arabic mode from right to left. Now we have the side panel from the right hand side. Now if I want to change the language, I can tap here back and I can choose English and select OK. And now again the app would be in the left to right language there. That's the English one that we had selected. And lastly, we have the logout option to log out of the particular delivery boy app for the Odoo there. So I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding the workflow of the Odoo delivery boy mobile application and the different sections there, how to accept the orders, how the push notifications come in, and how after accepting the order goes into the pending orders, and when you have completed the orders are then listed under the completed orders section, the section showing the due amount, orders delivered. Here you can see that initially it was 6, now it's 7, total earnings, and the option to make yourself online or offline. And I also showed you how you can check the delivery address of the customer there. When you have accepted an order, there's an option to check the location of the customer on the map itself. So I hope that this particular video helped you out, and if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.ubdesk.com as well. And lastly, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.